Boom shakalaka, holy camel, does this look bullish for Bitcoin? Why a historic move is ahead. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including some very bullish scenarios for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, smash the nonsense out of that like button and let's get started. Now, today, 53 neutral, down from yesterday's 63 greed, all the way back down into neutral territory. The overall market, though, up 2%. Bitcoin sitting just north of $30,000. Ethereum at 1636, BNB at 215, XRP 52 cents, Solana $29, Cardano 26 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, and Tron 9 cents. And Bitcoin, after breaking out of this downtrend right here above the 100 and 200-day moving averages, well, we are in some pretty open territory, sitting at this $30,000-ish area. And I gotta say, should we break above the previous all-time high, 31.8, it is some clear sailing for quite a while for Bitcoin. But that being said, was this a surprise how price dipped right below and then recovered? Well, not exactly. Mustache was talking about this when this wedge was formed. He said a fake out would be likely, and that's exactly what happened. Got faked out to the downside and then a rise above $30,000. But on the horizon for Bitcoin, if we take a look at the log Bollinger Band with the lowest it has ever been, that means the tightest compression of the Bollinger Bands ever. A historic move is likely incoming for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrencies. The previous two times this happened, this was moments before explosion. So we are potentially in explosive territory. Right now, Bitcoin price is sitting above the true market mean, this blue line right here, which is at 29,754. Right now, just above there. And guess what? Taking a look, when Bitcoin price does go above there, it's not very long before it hits this red mean plus one standard deviation. Right now, that's at $62,000. In previous cycles, literally did not take long at all. As a matter of fact, the first time it broke through right here, that was probably about a month or two until it was at that top. We have a giant cup and handle formation for Bitcoin, signaling a breakout incoming, especially once this price closes above the $30,000 territory. Also, interesting chart here, this capital rotation, the realized capital rotation. If you see, there are three colors right here. There's this orange, there's this green, there's this blue. Well, blue territory occurs right before parabolas. We have orange, green, blue. Look at this, blue right before parabola. Well, check this out, orange, green. We got the blue coming in right now, likely right before parabola. And holy camel, does this look bullish? Why? Because it's got the OBV on there. One of my favorite indicators, not a lagging indicator. This one actually moves before Bitcoin moves. But we have tops in the HODL waves. Check. We have range breakout about to happen in accumulation range sitting in there. We have OBV downtrend breakout. Check. Well, what would be the next thing? Heading up to some of these levels for Bitcoin, like the 1.618 or 2.618 fib, which right now, $100 to $200 some $1,000 for Bitcoin. Yikes. Also here, the correction will be over very soon, which is this phase 2 correction, which happens between the RSI oversold and overbought lines. You can see right here, once Bitcoin broke out of that territory, all up, and we are about to break out of that territory once again into all up territory. The number of UTXOs in loss also suggesting that the moments just previous to now were the last times to buy at a discount, similar to the 2015 return to lows, the 2020 black swan, and this can be labeled the 2023 return to lows, where we saw Bitcoin in the mid $20,000 before rallying. Because, like it or not, Bitcoin has just broken multi-month long downtrend. And while everybody will tell you this time's different, it's bearish, it's going $10,000, they might just be wrong. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.